Hey guys, my name is Ryan, and this is my first video about HTML tutorial. So, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So this is a language where you can create website, either static or dynamic websites or web page. Okay. Now to start with, I have a folder in my desktop, and then I'm also using Sublime Text 1.4 version. Actually, you can use a notepad to create your HTML web pages, but I'm not gonna use notepad. For now, I'm gonna using Sublime. This is gonna be a free download, so you can always download this. Just go to google.com and then search for Sublime Text Editor. Okay, now to begin with, um, if you're new to HTML, this is gonna be more fun, and it's not that hard to learn HTML. And there's a bunch of tutorials online, especially in YouTube, about HTML. So let's go ahead and dive into. Now the first thing that we have to do is to type HTML. This is the actually HTML. Um, all you have to do is to put some HTML tags, and when you run this HTML file, it's gonna open in a browser, and then whatever text you have in your HTML code, it's gonna be displaying in your web browser. Now, the first thing that I'm gonna do is to explain about HTML tags. So as you notice, I have the first HTML that is in between the less than and then the greater than sign, and then that is the opening HTML tag. And then you also need to put a closing HTML tag, and to do that you have to put the slash and then the word HTML. That's it. This one is the opening HTML tag, and then this one is the closing HTML tag. And then the next thing is a head tag, and you have to type in head, and then also the closing head tag. That's it. And then between the head tag you have the title tag, which is that is the title tag and the closing title tag. And in between these tags, that's gonna be this is gonna be where you put your title. So for me, I'm gonna have to put in here my first website. Okay. And then after the below the closing head tag, this is where you can put your body tag. That's it. So again, we have HTML, we have opening HTML tag, we have closing HTML tag, and then we have the head tag and then the body tag. Now between the body and the closing body tag, whatever text you have in here, that is the one that's going to be displaying in your browser when you run the HTML file. Okay, so for example, if I'm going to have to put in here h1, this is my website. Okay, so let's save this one first, and then I'm gonna click save. I'm gonna go to my desktop, and I'll have to rename this. For the file name, I'm gonna use index and then .html, and then for save as type, make sure that you select this one, the HTML, and then hit save. And notice that it changed the tags. The HTML tags are colored in red. Okay, now how do you run this? Well, obviously you have to open the folder and click this index.html, and that's gonna open in a web browser. it's loading. Just be patient. Okay, so this is my this is our first web page. So as you can see, the title. I'm gonna have to. As you can see, the title that shows here. I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna maximize this. So this is the title, my first website. See, my first website, and then this is the header tag that display the text. This is my website. Okay, so guys, this is my first video again. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll create more videos again. Thank you.